Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrencies on crypto.com. When you log into your app, there are some major coins that are on the home page like Bitcoin, Ethereum or CRO. To buy any of these ones, just click on them from here and select buy at the bottom of the page. But if the coin you want to buy is not one of these ones, click on trade and click buy. Click on the search bar here and type in the name of the coin that you want to buy. For example, Doge. When the coin comes up, click on it. This will take you to the page where you can enter the amount of the coin that you want. If you have already added your credit card or your debit card before, the app is going to select it by default as the payment method. But if this is your first time of doing it, click on add credit or debit card and then enter your card details. Now click on buy. Check this box that says I understand that a zero fee is required for every card purchase and click continue. Please note that new account on crypto.com are the only ones that get the first 30 days to buy crypto with their card for zero fees. After 30 days, a transaction fee is going to be applied. Review the details of the purchase and if you are okay with it, click confirm. If you want to make changes, click cancel at the top left. If you have Touch ID set up, which I do, is going to ask you for your thumbprint, so you put it in at this point. But if you don't have Touch ID set up, it will tell you to enter your security code for the app. Enter the 3-digit number at the back of your card and click submit. It will connect to your bank page where you will click continue. Enter the code that your bank sends you to verify the transaction and click go or click on done and then select submit. You will see a notice telling you that your purchase was successful and you can tap anywhere on the screen to continue. If you go to your crypto wallet now by clicking accounts and crypto wallets, you will see the cryptocurrency you just bought in there. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.